Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you some velocity edit tips on CapCut. So here I've already imported a clips and I want what you need to do is split the clips into a few parts. So I'm going to move forward and split again. So you need to do it like this. Okay, so after that, click on each clip, go to speed and choose curve and then choose the flash in. So do this for the whole clips, choose flash in for all of the clips and click on the check icon. So here is the result for the velocity edits on CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, leave a comment and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.